Let's talk about the latest launched ZTE smartphone Nubia redmagic 10 Pro Plus with Sky Mirror flat design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with BOEQ9 plus AMOLED display, 6.85 inches 1.5K full view display. Resolution of 1216 by 2688 pixels, approximately 95.3% screen-to-body ratio. Approximately 431 ppi pixel density, 2000 nits peak brightness, 144 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel OmniVision OV50E40 sensor main camera with aperture 1.88 and support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel OmniVision OV50D ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2, and with 2 megapixel OmniVision OV02F10 macro camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 16 megapixel OmniVision OV16A1Q under display. Front-facing camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 8K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30, 60 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of redmagic AI OS 10 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 4.32 GHz dual-core Orion V2 Phoenix L plus 3.53 GHz hexa-core Orion V2 Phoenix M, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm chipset, paired with Adreno 830 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 16 GB, 24 GB of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM, and 512 GB, 1 TB of UFS 4.0 Pro onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.42 by 76.14 by 8.9 mm, and it weights around 229 grams, and the color options: White Night, Deuterium Transparent Silver Wing, Deuterium Transparent Dark Night colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 7050 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, tri-band, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, 3.5mm headphone jack, dual stereo 1115K speakers support, USB Type-C 3.2, Gen 2 charging port, infrared remote control support, ICEX Magic cooling system support, Red Core R3 gaming chip support, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ZTE Nubia redmagic 10 Pro Plus has been priced in China for Dark Night and White Night 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 5,999 Chinese yuan, while the Dark Night 24 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 7,499 Chinese yuan, while the Deuterium Transparent Silver Wing and Deuterium Transparent Dark Night 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 6,299 Chinese yuan, while the X Golden Saga Limited Edition 24 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 9,499 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this ZTE Nubia redmagic 10 Pro Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.